Hey everyone, it's Shelley here from Coconut Courses. We're going to take a look at updating your phone's operating system. Why would you want to update the operating system? Well, you want the latest features. These are the cool additions and upgrades, enhancements to your iPhone. They make using it a lot more fun and efficient. You want your phone to operate smoothly. You want the latest security updates so that all your data is kept safe. And you want the latest bug fixes. Go to the Settings icon, head to the General section, and then Software Update. In here, it's either going to tell you that your iOS is up to date, or that there is an update available, or your phone can't handle any more updates because it's too old. Follow the instructions on the screen if you're able to update your iOS. A couple of things that you probably want to toggle on are automatically downloading your iOS updates, and the bottom toggle, you can have these software updates happen overnight after they've been downloaded. You need to have your phone on a charger, and you need to be connected to Wi-Fi to complete the update. So keep up with the updates on your phone for smooth operation. Thanks for watching our tech tip on updating your iOS. Please hit subscribe below so you receive new videos as they're posted. Visit our website, coconutcourses.com, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Coconut Courses. We give you tech tips so your kids don't have to.